Work-at-home jobs you should consider. Many people dream of starting their own business, but they simply don't have the capital to invest in a bricks-and-mortar business. Thankfully, due to technology, there are many options that don't cost a lot of money to get started. 1. Virtual assistant. You may think there is too much competition out there to become a VA and that you can't make a good wage. But the truth is, you can. You just need to think outside the box a little. Instead of joining a freelancer site and competing against others who can work for peanuts, think more locally. Decide the types of services you can offer virtually and start offering them locally. 2. Bookkeeper. You may need to get a license, but it's simple enough to do by studying and taking a test at a testing center. Once you get your license, you can start marketing yourself to local small business owners. You may need to stop by the business on a weekly basis to pick up information, or there are remote online systems that you can use to get into the bookkeeping software. 3. Online business manager. Believe it or not, many people who run online businesses need online business managers. An online business manager does pretty much what a business manager for any job does. They just do it online. They manage resources and people to lead the business to the goals set by the owner. As an online business manager, you will likely be responsible for organizing, planning, and finding the team to implement the goals that the owner wants to meet. 4. Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. There are many ways to enter into this business. There is a lot to know about this business, but there are courses that you can take to help you learn how to run an FBA business. It's an amazing opportunity and can lead to a very profitable business from home where all you do is buy products, list, and send to Amazon, and they do the rest. 5. Affiliate marketing. An affiliate marketer is someone who advertises and promotes someone else's products or services, and when they make a sale, they get a cut or a percentage of sales. Affiliates for digital products usually make about 50% on sales, while physical products usually are lower than 10%. Having a mix of both types of products is a good way to offer your audience plenty of choices, but plenty of people make a lot of money doing either one, depending on how big their audience is and how good they are at reaching them. Are you struggling to boost your income? Do you feel like you're stalling out? Many entrepreneurs and small home businesses hit income plateaus, but there are ways to push beyond them. For more details, check out the list of 6 ideas for making more money at home. Click the links in the description box this video to find out how today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more very informative videos.